people like to hear me talk is because they know that I'm gonna say something that might get me in trouble.
When your team gets behind, yo, pull a Randy Moss, pull a Randy Moss, pull a Randy Moss. When the cop try to ticket you, pull a Randy Moss, pull a Randy Moss, pull a Randy Moss. When a fan gets an attitude, pull a Randy Moss, pull a Randy Moss, pull a Randy Moss.
Would have been made somehow. If I hadn't assembled myself, I'd have fallen apart by now. If I hadn't made me, I'd be more inclined to bow. Powers that be would have swallowed me up, but that's more than I can
$7 million a year, everybody watch me score. Don't play unless I want, cause I'm number 84. I'm from Marshall, and I done my time. Just a little trouble, just some street crime. And since I got here, y'all ain't been fair. I don't care, yo, I'm a millionaire. You forgot about all the great plays I made, cause I had a little trouble with the meter maid. I spent the night in jail, that don't bother me, no. Just a little bum, that she took my weed, yo. The last couple weeks, kinda like a trend. It's gotten uglier than Mo Williams' girlfriend. Like when I left a little early from the game, I guess. So y'all got pissed at M-O-double-S. I like to mess around, but y'all can't take a joke. Pretend to drop my pants, everybody have a...